Hello, my name is Nozu, and I'm Luxury Travel Japan founder and CEO. I've been running the company with my younger brother Seiji since 2014. I'm a qualified teacher of Japanese traditional musical instruments, Koto and shamisen. We have the experience of holding a Koto workshop for about 15 years. The history of Koto is very long, dating back to the Nara or Heian period, more than 1000 years ago. There is a novel called Genji Monogatari, which was written 1000 years ago. It said that Genji Monogatari is the world's first novel. The story is about the romantic life of Genji. The princesses in the book are wearing beautiful Heian period kimonos, playing the koto. Koto has a beautiful sound and shape, and it's a national instrument of Japan. However, the number of Japanese people playing koto decreases year by year, so the number of artisans who make koto, shamisen, other instruments are also decreases. So we believe that it's crucial to spread the instrument to a lot of people to keep the culture. Experience with the koto is very exclusive experience. We will play the koto during the workshop, give a lecture, and all the guests practice the koto. At the end of the workshop, the guests will play the famous Japanese song, Sakura Sakura. It's a fun and memorable experience. Today, I want to play one koto song for you. It's a song called Rokudan no Shirabe, which is a very famous koto song. It's about 13-15 minutes long, but I'll play first 2 minutes. Rokudan no Shirabe was made by Yatsuhashi Kengyo at the end of the Edo period, and it was about 200 years ago. Please enjoy. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoy the koto. I'd love to show you around Japan when you visit Japan next time. And it would be great for If you could choose us to work with near future, please feel free to contact me. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much.